Good morning, scholars. Today is Thursday, May 20th. We have one lone knight who has wandered into spelling today. Don't know where the rest of the knights are. He's lost. Huh, better send him on his way. You need to go find your castle. Okay. Hopefully he got back safe and sound. All right, our last day before we have our test on changing F to V before adding ES to make it mean more than one, which is plural. So our little thing we should be saying, change the F to a V before adding ES. Let's do it one more time. Change the F to a V before adding ES. Making it more than one, so a plural, 2, 3, 4, 50, 78,000. Anything more than one is a plural. One is singular, more than one is plural. Let's take a look at these two pages. You do have to do both of these. It's not a choice like the other day, but we can handle them. More than one. I'm just gonna flip my book this way so I'm not distracted by that other page. Safari Journal, more than one. We are going back to school soon. Oh, don't you wish? Oh, I miss it. Miss seeing you guys. They're talking on their Safari Journal. Their safari is about over, so they would be going back to school. I guess we could look at this staying at home as a safari. Anyway, refocus. We are going back to school soon. We are taking the day off from hiking to finish some homework. Ooh, we are learning how to write the plural form of words. Excellent. 3 rules for making words mean more than one. Some of you might have already picked up on that. There are 3 rules for making words mean more than one, or plural. Rule 1, add S to the end of most words. Boys, girls, pencils, pens, cars, trucks. Most of the words you add S to. All right, rule 2, add ES to the end of words that end with CH, SH, X, and SS. I put it alphabetically, add ES to words that end with CH, SH, double S, X. Just the way my brain works. Whichever way you remember it, you remember it. Rule 3 is one we've been working on this week. Change the final F to V and add ES. So we are going to go through this table of words and we're going to decide which rule we are following. So let's read the directions. In this table, write the plural form, so more than one, of each word and write the number of the rule you use to form the plural. All right, so here's our rules. 1, add S. 2, add ES to words that end with CH, SH, double S, and X. And the new rule we learned this week, change the F to a V before adding ES. All right, so let's take a look. They did one for us. Box is the singular. 1 box. 2 boxes. So they changed it to singular by adding ES, and that is rule 2. Add ES to words that end in X. So that comes after, follows rule 2. Let's take a look at chore. Do you do one chore or do you do many chores? Maybe you have 3 chores or 4 chores. So it doesn't have a CH, an SH, a double S, or an X, and there's no F. So I'm just going to add an S to this word. So let's write chores here. Let's see it, say it, hear it, and write it. C-H-O-R-E-S. Ooh, it looks like we added ES, but if I take the S off, we have the word chore. If I take ES off, we got a word that's not a word. It still says chore, but it should not look right in your brain. So your brain should be going, no, that's not a word. So we are going to put down that this is following rule 1. All we did was add an S to it. So this is rule 1. I did not write it like this. Here's my word chore. I did not add ES. So it says chories. No, I didn't do that. So that's incorrect. All we did was add an S. Think about what you add, even though it looked like ES. Let's do another word. Let's go to wolf. Wolf. Oh, there's an F. So I'm going to use my new rule that I just learned and change that F to a V and add ES. So let's spell it. You ready? W-O-L, change the F to a V and add ES. So which rule was that? 1, no, that was just adding S. 2 was adding ES to these words. Here it is, change the final F to a V. So we used rule 3. Rule 3. Let's do another one. Let's see, I'm going to do 7. Cheetah. So I'm going to look down here at cheetah. I'm going to write the word cheetah. C-H, 2 E's, T-A-H. Now instead of 1 cheetah, I have 2 cheetahs. Well, it doesn't end with C-H, S-H, X, or double S. There's no F or V. So I'm just going to add an S. And that is rule 1. Most words follow rule 1. You just add an S to make it plural. These 4, and in CH, SH, X, and double S, you add ES. F words, FE words, you change the F to a V before adding ES. So look carefully, follow along your rules. Don't forget to write the rule that you used. You want to do one more, let's just jump over and do 16. Okay? Which? Ooh, right away, I look at what it ends with. It ends in CH. So CH, you add ES. So this is going to be rule 2. Let's see it, say it here, write it. You ready? Witches. W-I-T-C-H-E-S. And I know this is the witches we might see at Halloween because I can put a head in a hat. And there's his arms, so witches. Which witch is which? There it is. You're going to continue and you're going to fill this in. I'm going to give you a couple of hints. All right, so 14 is going to be rule 2. 15 is going to be rule 3. I'm just going to randomly fill some in. 19 is going to be rule 3. That's right, because there's the F to the V. So I'm going to give you some hints. Crayon, rule 1, and one more, ostriches, is going to be rule 2. All right, there's some help for you today. You go back, you think about your plurals, changing words to mean more than one. Look at your rules carefully. Most words follow the S. Some words follow ES, CH, SH, double S and X. You add ES to make them more than one. And then our F to V. Let's go over our new rule. Change the F to a V before adding ES. Excellent, you've got this. Let's take a look at our Safari Journal. It's a little different today. You might have noticed there's no writing up here telling us what to do. I see lists, I don't see a story, so I'm like, well, what do I do? So I need to look at the bottom to see what I have to do. Reading fluency. It's only 25 words. Can you read the list of plural words in 1 minute? So it's asking you, can you do this in 1 minute? And you're just going to circle yes or no. So you're going to have mom or dad or big brother or big sister time you. I don't think the dog can time you today. Or maybe you have a stopwatch. On a phone, they all have watches. You could go and set it, read them, stop it. Yes, you did it in less than a minute, or no, I didn't. And that's okay. Wherever you are is perfect for you. All right, tomorrow we're going to take our spelling test. So until then, go out and do great works.